Jasmine with WTI. You just caught me in my natural habitat, surrounded by the never-ending piles of laundry. But things have changed for me. I love folding laundry now that I have FairyHaus's collapsible linen freestanding laundry baskets. They make folding laundry look good. When you receive your FairyHaus laundry basket, it truly is collapsible. It looks like this, but in no time, it's easy to put together. You simply put the bottom in, slide it down, and the rods slip into each corner. And a Velcro piece secures the rods in place. Another thing that I absolutely love about this laundry basket is the lining. The lining inside is super sleek and can be easily wiped down with a microfiber cloth to keep things sanitary. The ropes are so sturdy. If you needed or preferred to have the ropes shortened, you could tie the knot a little lower, shorten the handle, but we prefer the long handle so we can just heap laundry in here and still carry the laundry basket up and down the stairs to our laundry room. The height of the laundry hamper is perfect for easy loading and unloading of your dryer. The size of the laundry baskets and the rope handles make carrying upstairs super easy. They're just so beautiful and pleasing to the eye. Wonderful stitching, high quality linen, definitely made to last and get you through many, many loads of laundry. So if you're looking for new laundry hampers or beautiful storage baskets for your home, try FairyHaus's freestanding laundry baskets. They're pretty snazzy, but that's just my point of view.